Hey folks, I'm HP and this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a song from Daft Punk, Lose Yourself to Dance, and we're gonna play it with a dance today because somehow it fits the topic. That's how it sounds. It's basically drums and guitar. Yeah, that was it. Sorry, Dr. Pink is a little bit close together up here for my very big hands because I'm nearly 2 meters tall. Some of you don't know this, but I'm pretty tall, and when it comes to chords up here, it gets a little bit tricky, but I just learned the song before. But now let's check it out. First, check the chords. The first chord is a B flat minor 7 chord here in the 13th fret. That's why it gets tricky for my big hands. So, 13th fret bar A, middle finger 14, ring finger 16, pinky 17, and first is like this, and then you remove the pinky. I'm going to come to the rhythm afterwards in detail, just show the chords first. Second chord is a F minor 7, but the reduced version without the bass note. So we just have a bar in the 13th fret, pinky in the 16, and the same again, first with pinky, then without. Good. The next chord is a E flat minor 11. We just move this down in the 11th fret. Pinky stays in the 16th and then goes from 16 to 13. See? And then there comes the last chord, and that's a little bit tricky, at least for my big hands, but I'm going to show it anyway. It's a A flat major 7, 9 first. So here's the 15, 14, 13 fret, and the pinky comes here in the 16 again. So, and then you come down with the pinky here on the D. So these are the 4 chords which are played. So like this. Oops. See, that's how it works with the chords. Now let's check out the rhythm. The rhythm is the tricky part. We do it is on all chords the same rhythm. So I'm going to just show it for the first chord. So we have this first is staccato. So, see? First, we divide the 4 beats of the bar to each beat. The first beat is 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Then the second beat is, then you continue with 16, or like this is the beat. Taka 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 taka. And then you add if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, like this. The second beat is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third beat is 1, 2, 3, 4. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and the last beat is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make either just nothing or dead notes. So that's very slow now. See? And that's the essential part. The chords Of course, for me, they're difficult because I have big hands, but the chords are easy. But the hard part is the right hand. And you always keep the momentum going. And it's important to get the original feel that the first note is very short. So, tack, see? No, don't make it like... Make it... And there for a short moment the hand stops. Otherwise you just keep the 6th note going. Maybe make a first exercise, just this the beat. Taka, 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 taka. Like this. Yeah, so let's play it. 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we're coming to the last part. This is funky music from the 70s. That means you should not stand still while playing. That's why this tutorial is while standing, dancing, moving and playing. And playing and moving is not so easy as you might think. If it becomes natural, it's cool. If not, you need to practice. One thing, I mean, I don't have so many tricks on that because I'm not a dancer, but one for sure is do the groove 1, 2, 3, like this. Probably I've moved from left to right, so 1, 2, 3, like this, and then just play 60 notes first. 1, 2. If the moving from left to right is too hard, just make it with the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then start moving. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can do that, and if you even can talk while doing that, then you're ready to do the whole thing with the dance. 1, 2, 3. Oops, yeah, see. Yeah, as I said, the singing and the dancing and the playing is not so easy. Especially when you have so big hands as I have in this upper position, because there you have to stay concentrated that you hit the thing. But yeah, that's how it works. And the mood is orange. Try to get in this relaxed mood. And it's not so bad if the rhythm is not precise. The main thing, if you keep it going, if you keep this going, you're right on track. See, that's the main trick, and then it gets groovy, funky, and just do it, do it.